Thomas Frank abandoned his channel with 2.4 million subscribers and millions of views, which he'd been growing for 9 years, to concentrate on a channel that stood at 56,000 subscribers and 240,000 monthly views. Why? Let's compare the business models of these two channels and you'll see why having more views and more subscribers doesn't necessarily mean a better business. Thomas Frank is a channel about productivity and life optimization, which has grown out of a vlog with study tips for students. The channel's publicly available analytics show the highest monthly views at 3 million. How did Thomas monetize it? First, via YouTube ads revenue. With an RPM or revenue per thousand views of around $7.50, the channel earned over $20,000 per month from ads alone. Thomas also earned affiliate income by linking to companies he personally recommended and through video sponsorships. In the channel's last full year, each video was sponsored. However, in total, there were just 7 sponsors. While promoting only highly relevant products and personally vouching for them can build audience trust, it also makes creators vulnerable to significant revenue loss if one or more sponsors suddenly pull out. The next revenue streams are Skillshare and Nebula. On Skillshare, Thomas shared his productivity masterclasses and earned money from watch time, subscriptions, and free trials. I talked more about how creators make money on Skillshare in this video. Nebula, an on-demand video streaming service, paid him for watch time and his share of ownership. Thomas reported that his channel's revenue had never exceeded $60,000 per month, which is impressive, especially considering that the most lucrative source of income was absent. Let me show you what brings the highest revenue by comparing different revenue streams. Imagine a company pays YouTube $1,000 to show ads on one specific video. Its creator will receive 55% of $150, while YouTube will retain $450. Assuming the company's return on ad spend is 2-to-1, a rough average, it will generate $2,000 in revenue and $1,000 in profit. However, if the creator secures a direct sponsorship with this company, they will earn the full $1,000. The magic happens when the creator promotes their own products or services. All things equal, they could earn $2,000 for themselves. This makes selling your own products or services the most profitable income stream. And that's exactly what Thomas is doing on his new channel, Thomas Frank Explains. This niche channel is focused on providing in-depth tutorials for Notion, a productivity application. The bulk of its revenue comes from the sale of Notion templates, which include 2 offerings. The Ultimate Brain for managing tasks, projects, and notes at $129, and the Creator's Companion for managing content creation at $149. Currently, the channel has 150,000 subscribers and just over 400,000 monthly views. However, a year ago, when it became Thomas's main focus, it stood at 56,000 subscribers and 250,000 monthly views. How much money do you think this channel generated over this period? Last year, it brought in over $1 million in template sales and is currently at $120,000 per month. If we compare the 2 channels, the Notion channel is getting 7 times fewer views, but is bringing in twice the revenue. And the RPM on this niche channel is twice higher too, around $15 per thousand views compared to $7.50. Thomas's new business model is lean and highly scalable. It's actually very similar to the one I have on my other channel. All the traffic is organic, coming from YouTube. In his free videos, Thomas suggests downloading free templates and resources on his website. Receiving further emails is actually optional. This is a smart move because people who choose to get his emails are more likely to open and read them. This results in better open rates and protects emails from being marked as spam. Paid templates are promoted on the website in emails, free templates, and YouTube video descriptions. Thomas hardly ever mentions his products in YouTube videos, which may be seen as a bit of a missed opportunity. I must say that on other channels we see pretty high conversion rates on well-integrated promotions. Thomas's sales funnel is definitely not pushy, and he offers no questions asked refunds. Well, you can't return an online template, so this is just a keep your purchase and get your money back option. I know many people are afraid that a generous refund policy will be abused, but the last time I heard, Thomas's refund rates were about 5%, which is half the average for digital products, and I'm sure more than covered by extra sales. Thomas Frank's business model with a niche channel and relatively low ticket offer is almost the exact opposite of Ali Abdaal's YouTube business, which generated 4.6 million in revenue. And you can learn more about how he achieved this in this video here. Thank you for watching me today. Have a great day. Bye!